5 things I wish I knew as a beginner Forex trader. Before I get into this video, I want to thank you guys for watching. My name is Sajjad Modest. I'm new to YouTube. Alright, I'm here to share with you guys my Forex and business knowledge for the community. Got me excited. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram. Everything's going to be in the description below. Super interactive on both my business and my fitness page. So let's get started. Alright, I'm going to be completely raw with you guys. If I mess up, I'm just going to keep it running. Also, I live in a big household, so if you guys hear like noise and stuff like that, it's like my little brother's just like running around and stuff, so don't even worry about it. Alright, so number 1, practice proper risk management, okay? It's going to save you a lot of money and a lot of time. Only risk 2 to 3%. I can't stress this enough, especially when starting off, right? The easiest way to blow your account is bad risk management, alright? For example, you're in a drawdown, your trade's about to hit take profit, and or it could hit take profit and it's in a drawdown, right? And you get a margin call from your broker, alright? That's not fun at all. They'll close your trade and you lose your money. Even if your trade ends up hitting take profit, if you get a margin call, they're gonna close your trade, so it's never gonna reach there, okay? Another thing why proper risk management is a big thing is because if you lose a trade and say you wanted to just shoot it all, right? If you lose that trade, you lose a big part of your account, and you guys don't need to blow your accounts, all right? Enough of us traders have already blown our accounts plentiful times, all right? Especially when you get experience, it's not fun, all right? So practice proper risk management. Remember, 2 to 3%. Let's go to tip number 2. All right, tip number 2: no emotional trading. This is a no-no. Alright, losing trades is part of the game, alright, but the thing is, here's the thing with emotional trading, alright, whether you like to or not, when you lose a trade, you get emotional. Whether you win a trade, it triggers emotions, whether you like it or not. It may make you happy, it may make you sad, stressed out, frustrated, excited, all of the above, right? The best way, to deal with this is trading with money you're willing to lose. Please don't trade your rent money. Don't trade that money you own to Auntie Johnson. Don't do none of that, alright? Because that is the quickest way to get emotional in this game, alright? Also, if you lose more than 3 trades in a day, just stop, alright? It's gonna save you so much money. It saved me so much money, alright? So if you're on a streak of losing for the day, just stop trading. It's gonna make you end up doing revenge trading, end up losing more money, alright? Let's go on to tip number 3, alright? Boom, so you know what I'm saying, we're running through this video, right? First YouTube video, we cranking it out. Alright, tip number 3, let's get into it, alright? So, trading psychology. This is one of the biggest things, if not the biggest thing when it comes to trading, alright? This is something that you continue to work on as a trader, okay? Trading psychology consists of more than one thing. It's like controlling your emotions, alright? Making wise decisions when trading. Exercising the discipline that you've learned while you trade, okay? This is something that as a trader you continue to work on as you get better, as you keep going, because boy, there's a lot to trading psychology. I mean, just like from when I started to now, it's like it changes, it even changes you as a person, how you control your emotions, how you make decisions in life. So this is big, all right? So I need you guys to practice controlling your emotions, making wise decisions, and exercising discipline. So all of these tips, they fall under each other, okay? It's like they work with each other. So in order to do one thing, you have to do the next, and they all incline together, right? All right, boom. So trading psychology out the way. All right, number 4. This is big for beginners, okay? If I would have known this at the beginning, I could have saved a lot of money. I might even throw in a story at the end of what happened because of this. So, beginners, Mondays and Fridays, trap days, alright? Stay away from trading on Mondays and Fridays, alright? These are the most manipulated days of the week, alright? News usually drops on Monday, and when news drops, like, forget your whole strategy. I don't care what you marked up. I don't care if I don't care if Robert Kiyosaki gave you that trade, you better throw it away, because if news comes out, it's gonna go, and it's in the opposite direction of your trade. It's not gonna be very fun. Okay. Now these days they can be like, you can still trade Monday, Friday. I'm not saying not to, but the thing is, I would wait till I'm more experienced to trade. And if you do choose to trade on these days, I would only risk 1%. So if you have a stop loss, make sure that stop loss is 1% of your account. Number 5, find a strategy and stick to it, guys. Excuse me. Oh, man. Number 5, find a strategy and stick to it. God damn. Number 5, find a strategy and stick to it. Alright, this is one of the biggest things for me, and this is one of the biggest things for me in the beginning, okay? At the beginning, I used to take a lot of signals from different people, different traders. They were really good. I made a decent amount of money. You know, there's a lot of people that, follow my couple of my trades. That's true. But it got to a point where it wasn't so pretty anymore, because that person started losing their trades, you know what I mean? So it only works until it doesn't, you know? When it's your trades, it works as long as you need it to, works as long as you want to. You get to modify it. But if you're just taking signals and stuff like that, taking trades from other people, which is totally fine. I mean, it's your money at the end of the day. But a tip that helped me, get far, or advance my trading career, I guess you can call it, is finding a strategy. Actually, it doesn't even matter if you copy it. If it works for you, it works for you. Finding a strategy, mastering that strategy, and keep working on it. Improve it until it works for you, okay? Find 1 to 2 strategies that are going to work for you, and you stick to it. Identify why those strategies aren't working for you. Identify why you lose, and just keep improving it. So if you identify, you can find out why you're losing with these strategies. Keep on improving them, This is showing me promising results. I promise I'm going to show you guys in future videos my strategies. Probably the next one, and I want to do challenges and stuff like that. But look, find a strategy, stick to it. 1 or 2 strategies, find it, stick to it, improve it. Find out what's the flaws in it. Find out how you can decrease the losses, because that's what's going to make you more of a profitable trader. More money in our pockets. Get to go out, do what you want. You feel me? So yeah, that's tip number 5, man. Thank you guys for watching so much. I want you guys to turn on post notifications, alright, so you don't miss videos that are coming out. Alright, the next couple videos I'll be dropping trading strategies. Also, I want you guys to drop in the comment section below some Forex challenges you guys want me to do. I had some ideas, maybe like FTMO challenge, $100 accounts, small accounts, something like beginners can do. You guys want to see small account challenges, stuff like that. So leave your ideas and thoughts in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram for more updates. And thank you guys again so much for watching. This is my first YouTube video. Doing my best. I'm gonna promise to keep on trying my best as I put out that quality content for you guys. Alright, if you guys enjoyed that video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's gonna help me out 1,000. Alright, share with your friends, auntie, uncle, neighbor next door, the bum down the street, because they got iPhones now. So let's do that. You feel me? So thank you for watching again, and see you in the next video.